Imagine if you could take a $900 investment and turn it into a full-time digital income that would allow you to replace your 9 to 5. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how that is possible. By the end of this video, you're going to have a roadmap that is going to show you how you can take a one-time investment and build it into a scalable, reoccurring income. I took the leap with $900 and it changed my life. And I want to show you how this is possible for you too. If you're ready to get started on this journey, type ready in the comments below and I will send you a free PDF with a blueprint of step-by-step how this can be done. Okay, so first of all, what is this $900 investment that I'm talking about? I invested $900 into a course that teaches me step by step how to make money with digital marketing. Not only does it teach me everything that I need to know so that I can earn while I learn, but it also gives me the resale rights to make 100% profit off of the digital product as well. So I'm learning and I'm earning at the same time. This program gives you access to 4 different digital products that you can sell at different entry points. One of them is $900, which is the top selling product. One of them is $600, one of them is $300, and one of them is a $100 investment. So you just pay the one-time fee of $900 and you have access to sell all 4 of these different products to your customer base and make 100% profit each time. This is a game changer compared to something like affiliate marketing. With this course, it's going to teach you how to get your business up and running, how to get your business on automation. So you spend a day, 2 days getting the system set up, having it on automations, so that then it is working for you in the background 24/7 while you are doing the things that you love. It also teaches you different marketing skills. So it's going to walk you through the different social media platforms that you may want to be on, and you can choose where you want to be and how you want to share your product, but it's going to walk you through step by step how you need to do this so that you can share valuable information with your clientele so that they can make a decision as to whether or not this product that you're offering is right for them. So the next key to this product opportunity is that it comes with 100% resale rights. So what does that mean? You make an investment one time and then every time you sell it after that, you make 100% profit off of this. I've done other affiliate marketing, direct sales, things like that, where you're only making 15, 20, maybe 25% off of the products you sell. So you have to find a lot more customers and sell a lot more products in order to make the same kind of income. Whereas this, every time you make one sale, you get 100% profit off of it. You're going to also learn in this program how to build an email list. So this is part of automating the business, and having an email list is like gold, because let's say one of the social media platforms that we're on today goes away one day and it's something different, and that's where you've spent your entire time building your business. Well, if you have an email list as a backup, then you can email everyone on that list and say, okay, now I'm over on this new platform, right? You can then communicate with them directly and you own that email list. You're not stuck trying to figure out an algorithm from some social media platform. Like, that is something that you own yourself. You can then provide more valuable information. To your potential customers and clients from there and create more offers as you go and share with them, and if you do also do affiliates that are comparable, if you also have affiliate links that are comparable to the main product that you sell, you can also utilize your email list for something like that as well. So the options are truly endless with an email list. One of my favorite things about this program is that it teaches you time management skills. So where a lot of people get frustrated when they start out trying to make money online is the amount of time they waste, usually scrolling on social media. This program is going to teach you how to get all of your income earning activities done in just as little as 2 hours a day, so that you have the rest of the day to do whatever it is you want. And with your automated business setup, it's working for you 24/7 in the background. And another benefit to this program is mindset trainings within this community. So having a good mindset can help you overcome any challenges that you may see along the way as you are building your business, because obviously this is work and there will be challenges. But having people in a community of over 40,000 people that you can connect with and get answers to when you're stuck and don't know the answer is so valuable and so helpful. And I just love the community that I'm a part of. So be sure and click the link in the descriptions for the blueprint on more details of how you can get started in the digital marketing world. It's a free blueprint. It might be for you, it might not, but it doesn't hurt to check it out. And make sure and stay tuned for the next video with more success tips.